Hello and welcome back again to Mother's Corner. Is your little one fussy, crying, or struggling with gas? You're not alone. Gas discomfort is common in newborns, but the good news is there are simple and effective ways to help your baby feel better. In today's video, we will cover the best burping techniques and gentle home remedies that actually work. Plus, I'll also be sharing pro tips to prevent gas buildup so you and your baby can enjoy more peaceful moments together. Before we get into solutions, let's quickly understand why babies get gas in the first place. Newborns have an immature digestive system, making it harder to process milk effectively. Number 2, swallowing air while feeding, crying, or sucking on a pacifier can lead to gas buildup. Number 3, some foods in a breastfeeding mom's diet, like dairy, caffeine, or spicy foods, may contribute to gas in some babies, while formula-fed babies may react to certain ingredients in their formula. So, keeping a feeding and a burping routine can prevent excessive gas buildup. Burping helps release trapped air in your baby's tummy, preventing discomfort. Now, let's look at the best burping techniques. Number 1, over-the-shoulder burping. This is the best for deep gas relief. Hold your baby upright with their chin resting on your shoulder. Support their bottom with one hand while gently patting or rubbing their back in circular motions until they burp. Number 2, sitting on the lap burping. This position is great for smaller babies. Sit your baby on your lap, supporting their chest and chin with one hand, and use your other hand to gently rub or pat their back. And number 3, tummy down burping, normally called the colic hold. This position is ideal for gassy babies. Lay your baby across your lap, belly down, with their head slightly raised. Gently pat or rub their back in circular circles until they burp. If your baby doesn't burp immediately, try switching positions or walking around for a minute before trying again. Now let's talk about gentle home remedies to soothe your baby's tummy and relieve gas. Number 1, bicycle leg exercise. This helps release trapped gas very fast. Lay your baby on their back and gently move their legs in circling motion. This helps push out gas bubbles naturally. Number 2, warm compress on the tummy. This soothes bloating and discomfort. Use a warm, and remember warm, not hot, towel and gently place it on your baby's belly. The warm relaxes tummy muscles and promotes gas release. Number 3, tummy time. Tummy time strengthens digestion and prevents gas buildup. So place your baby on their tummy for a few minutes under supervision. This encourages natural gas movement and strengthens their core muscles. And number 4, grip water or fennel tea for breastfeeding moms. You can also take chamomile tea and infuse it with dill seed for increased milk production. Grip water, alcohol-free, can be a gentle option for gas relief as well as for colic. For breastfeeding mom, can drink fennel tea. It passes through breast milk and may help ease baby's digestion. And dear moms, Always remember to check with your pediatrician before trying any remedy. Preventing gas in newborns. Prevention is always better than cure. And here is how you can reduce gas buildup in the first place. Number 1, burp your baby during and after each feeding to prevent trapped air. Number 2, hold your baby upright for 20 to 30 minutes after feeding to aid digestion. Avoid putting them to sleep immediately after feeding. Number 3, ensure a proper latch when breastfeeding. This will help reduce air swallowing. And if you're still struggling with latching, check out our earlier video on breastfeeding and latching. For bottle-fed babies, use anti-colic bottles with slow flow nipples. And last, monitor your diet if you're breastfeeding and reduce gassy foods if needed. Remember, a gentle baby massage with coconut or olive oil can also promote digestion and ease gas discomfort. Dear moms, helping your newborn with gas doesn't have to be stressful. With the right burping techniques, home remedies, and preventive measures, you can keep your baby happy and comfortable. Which of these tips are you excited to try them first? Let me know on the comment section. Don't forget to like this video, share it with other moms, and subscribe for more baby care tips every week. Take care of yourself and your little one. See you in the next one. Bye bye.